Hello everyone, it's your girl Nosike Peace. I'm back again with a new makeup video. But before I show you the video, if you're new on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn up your notification button to be notified anytime I drop a new video. And also don't forget to support your girl, like, comment and share. So let's go to the video. Let me show you guys how it goes. Let's go. Oh.